tutorial. Just in case you guys weren't inspired yet, you guys could have something easy and simple that you guys could do tomorrow real quick. This is something that I would do because it doesn't have, I don't have to wear eyeliner. Most of the time, the eyeliner is what makes my makeup take the longest. So this is what I do a lot because I don't have a lot of time to get my makeup done nowadays. So instead of just doing eyeliner, I would just do something like this, and I still get that feel for, you know, a cat eye, elongated eyes effect. So if you guys want to see how I created this smoky eye, sexy Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, then keep on watching. Okay, so my base is down. I already put on foundation, concealer, and we're going to be using the NYX, the go-to palette. It looks like this. I'm gonna be picking up my Morphe M505 and then going in with this matte brown shade. It's the only matte in the palette, so we're gonna be using that for a crease. And just push that like right in the crease. Just like back and forth. And then also circular motions. Go back and forth as many times as you need in order to get it as dark as you want. And then I'm gonna kind of just bring it outwards like that. To give the eye like a cat eye effect. And I'm also gonna be bringing it inwards like this. Just right in the outer corners. Now we're going to be picking up this color right here, that highlight shade, and I'm gonna be putting that all over the lid. Oh, it's pigmented, you guys see that? If you spritz it with some water or setting spray, the pigment is gonna show even more. Now I'm gonna go back to that same brown shade with a smaller brush, just to blend the top a little bit so there's no hard edges or anything like that. And then I'm going to pick up this purple shade and just put it right at the end. Gonna place it like right in the outer corner. Then we're going to blend those two together. I'm picking up this dark shade, almost black shade. It has a little bit of glitter, and I'm gonna be putting that in the outer corner, in the very end, just to give it some more definition. Okay, kind of like that. And then I'm just gonna kind of like bring it inwards like that. Gonna kind of create like an eyeliner with this dark color right here. I'm gonna pick up a little definer brush like that and pick up that black color and kind of create an eyeliner with the color. I want it to be darker in the outer corner and thicker, and then to be lighter and thinner as I go in. And then we're going to extend it. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be messy because you're gonna go back and blend it. always going back and with the clean brush or with the brush that you already used with the lighter color and just blending the edges to make sure that there are no harsh lines. I'm going to be putting some of that purple back in the outer corner because we lost some of the purple. And I'm gonna go back and just blend everything together. And then melt the purple into the lighter color. Okay, something like this. And you can see I have a lot of fallout under my eyes, but I'll just put some translucent powder down here and then I can swipe it away later and it will take all that excess powder away. Now with this little tiny brush, I'm gonna go back into the black that we used before, grayish black, and then put that really tightly underneath the waterline. And then I'm also gonna be connecting the outer V with my waterline. I want the outer corner to be thicker than the inner corner as well. And then I'm gonna go back with another brush and pick up some of that purple shade that we used, and I'm gonna run that underneath the waterline. And I'm gonna be making the line even sharper with some earthstone powder, and then I'm gonna dip my brush in there, and then we're just gonna clean it out. And then also, like if you feel like your under eye is not blended enough, you can also grab some setting powder and also run that over the eyeshadow that you have underneath. I'm gonna pick up this light shade right here, the first shade, and then I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. I'm gonna go back and make sure that I run this brush over it with no extra product, just to make sure that I blend everything together. Now for the waterline, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Infallible black liner, and I'm gonna be putting that on the waterline, and I'm also gonna be placing this on the lash line, but very close to the lash line, just to give it some extra dimension to that top part. And it doesn't have to be clean, it can be messy because you're gonna be blending this later on. And then just run a clean brush right over it. Again, you want it to be thicker on the outer corner, thinner on the inner corner. Then I'm kind of just connecting it to that cat eye that we did. There it is. So now you can wear just regular mascara. I'm gonna be using CoverGirl Lash Blast. Is that what it is? Yes, Lash Blast. You don't have to wear fake eyelashes for this look, and it will look totally gorgeous. So you can just stop right here and then you're completely done. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna be applying false eyelashes. And then, of course, I got mascara right here. Once your mascara dries, then you can just kind of like flick it and then it will just come off. So like I said, you can totally leave it like this and not wear any fake eyelashes. This is probably what I'm gonna do too. Just for the video, I'm gonna be applying some false eyelashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lashes are on now. The lashes that I'm using are Ardell Wispies. You can also find those at the drugstore. So they're very affordable as well. So this is affordable and has eyeshadows and the contour and the blush set. So, I mean, what more can we ask for? So I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here. It does have a lot of fallout. That's the one thing I don't like about it. And I'm just gonna be popping this right here. I don't know if it's gonna be like dark enough for me. Then I'm gonna blend it into my hairline. First I'll dab it and then I'll blend it. I feel like this is kind of like reddish. Like, I don't know, it has like a red undertone. I don't know, I feel like I would like this better even as a blush. I don't think I would like this to contour with. You know, for my skin color. Maybe if you have a different skin color it will work for you. But for what I'm seeing right now, I kind of just don't like the undertone. Kind of looks like a bronzer, like reminds me of a bronzer, but with like a reddish, kind of like a reddish undertone. I don't know. I'm used to using like cool contour shades to contour with. The shadows are really pigmented. I mean, they have pigment. The pigment is there. It's just the fallout that I don't like, but we can always make it work. You know, there are high-end products that also have a lot of fallout, so, and you pay a lot more money for it. Okay, I don't even like this color to contour my nose with, so I'm not even gonna do a lot of nose contour. I'm just gonna be very lightly, just giving it some definition. We're gonna use the blush that it comes with, and let's see, I'm gonna, ooh, it is pigmented. I mean, whew. Yeah, I didn't think it would be so pigmented, so I was just like dab it on. I go back with the clean brush and just make sure that I get rid of any excess product and further blend everything together. Now we're gonna go into the highlight shade and we're gonna highlight with that. I'm gonna be picking up that highlight shade, and then I'm also gonna be picking up this light shade right here. I do like a lot of highlights, so I'm gonna be dipping in a few times until I get the desired amount of glow, if you will. Like if you hit it just one time, it's not gonna be as pigmented. It's not gonna be that blinding highlight that I'm looking for. I'm gonna spritz just one time and go back to the highlight shade, and then I'm gonna see how it applies. Okay, that's better. And then for lips, we're gonna be doing NYX. What is this? NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. I'm just filling in the lips as well. I think that for lipstick we're gonna go in with Maybelline Vivid Hot. Vivid Hot lip gloss. And this is in the color Unreal. Usually when I do a dark eye like this, even though it's not too dark, it's still smoky and a little dark, I like to do like nude or kind of like brown nude lipsticks, but you can also do a red lip totally. For Valentine's Day, everybody loves a red lip and it will look totally beautiful with the red lip. Hey guys, so this is the final result. I hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comments if you guys like for me to start the videos with doing my foundation and the full face, or if you guys prefer the video like I did today where I just started with my eye makeup, if I'm just doing it eyeshadow look. Leave it down in the comments if you guys like a full face tutorial better, or if you guys like it this way. You know, I figure since you guys have seen the past videos that I've done and you guys have seen my foundation routine, I thought you guys wouldn't want to see that again in this video, but it's all up to you, so just let me know what you guys think. So I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. Just love yourself and love everyone around you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later.